been around over here in this area. And it looks like they just got a replacement call button. We're going all the way up because the indicator never got fixed. So we'll just take a look real quick. This thing has been out of service a couple of times. Here, Innovation. Security buttons, MontgomeryKONE. Call buttons, Mad BL Light. Here's a certificate. Right, a newly modded elevator. This is me, MontgomeryKONE. I have no idea who modded this one. Takes a lot of level even for a mod. Lovely presentation right there. Alright, let's get a look at the cab before we go. Smells nice. The cab is still the same. I'm expecting snap cab. Got your newer innovation buttons. These are Premier PB70, just like the same ones over in Long Beach, the UFO shaped observation deck. Overall, they did a good job except for the leveling. He's going up. It takes for a level, not too bad down here.